Hello, my name is Tsehai-STV and I'm the co-creator of Tsehai Labs Learning. I also play the voice of Tsehai in Tsehai-STV. As you might know, there are no government preschools or kindergartens in Ethiopia. Early childhood education provides the foundation for success in primary school. Research shows that early childhood education improves primary school enrollment rates, increase a child success rate in school, and is proven to have lifelong benefits to the child academic and social well-being. Without a solid foundation of early childhood education, children are less likely to reach their full potential. We recognize that we could help fill this gap in education in Ethiopia through television. Three factors lead us to this conclusion. One, there are volumes of research on the methods, effectiveness, and benefits of early child educational television. Two, the cost of television production has dropped dramatically. Three, the number of television in Ethiopia is booming, with more than 400% growth over the last 10 years. We estimate as many as 2.8 million children watch every broadcast episode of Tsehai Labs Learning.